When asked about the growing support for him from a section of people as a future Prime Minister, Adityanath said, Politics is not a full-time occupation for him and he remains a yogi at heart, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has said, parrying a query about a section of people seeing in him as the future Prime Minister of India. In an interview with PTI, Adityanath dismissed reports about differences between him and BJP's central leaders, noting that he is in the Chief Minister's chair because of the party. Can I remain in the chair by having differences with the party's central leaders? Adityanath asked, adding that he cannot shut the mouth of anyone stoking speculation about such differences. To a question on the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh's (RSS) support for him, he said the Hindutva organization backs anyone who is committed to Bharat and will inspire those who are not to turn to the right path. The Chief Minister said his primary role is serving the people of Uttar Pradesh, as entrusted by the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP). I am the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, and the party has placed me here to serve the people of the state, he said. When asked about the growing support for him from a section of people as a future Prime Minister, Adityanath said, Politics is not a full-time job for me. Ultimately, I am a yogi, monk, at heart. The monk politician also downplayed a question about his popularity as a BJP campaigner in states outside Uttar Pradesh, saying all the chief ministers are part of the party's electioneering. When pressed, he added, it may be that people having experienced the Uttar Pradesh of 17 years back can see the changes more starkly. There is an enthusiasm as devotees and people from all over the country visit Uttar Pradesh. On how long he plans to remain in politics, the Chief Minister said, there will be a time frame for this as well. Asked if his response meant that politics was not his permanent occupation, Adityanath reiterated, yes, that is what I am saying. Explaining his perspective on the intersection of religion and politics, he said, we limit religion to a confined space and restrict politics to a handful of people, and that is where the problem arises. If politics is driven by self-interest, it will create problems. But if it is for the greater good, it will provide solutions. We have to choose between being part of the problem or the solution, and I believe this is what religion also teaches us. When religion is pursued for self-interest, it creates new challenges. However, when one dedicates themselves to a higher purpose, it opens up new avenues for progress. Adityanath also said that Indian tradition does not associate religion with self-interest. On whether he considers himself more of a religious figure or a political leader, he asserted, I work as a citizen and do not consider myself special. As a citizen, my constitutional duties come first. For me, the nation is paramount. If the country is safe, my religion is safe. When religion is secure, the path to welfare automatically opens. Asked how he would like him or his legacy to be remembered, Adityanath said light-heartedly that there is no need for others to remember him as he is very much present. He then added, it is not the name but the work that should be remembered. One's identity should be through their work, not their name.